Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time I have another unboxing and I'm trying to not show you what my address is. So this is a DHL package and let's go ahead and open it up. Have my box cutter. Oh, yeah, stay tuned to see what I got just after this intro. So here's my box cutter. Sorry, I just got a little bit too excited there. I was gonna open it up without even putting my intro in here. Okay, so here is the item. Alright, let me go ahead and open this up. It's like, geez, they wrapped this pretty good. Even this is pretty wrapped up. Okay, so let me try to be careful with this because I don't want to cut the box. Okay, so I got this on eBay and unfortunately I did not use the recent coupons that eBay had. I'm kicking myself in the butt for not taking advantage of them because eBay recently had a 20% off coupon and a 15% off coupon, but I did not use those coupons for this item because they weren't available when I purchased this item. Okay, oh my goodness. Alright, so this is well packaged. Alright, here we go. Could you tell what it is? So it is an item from Louis Vuitton. Alright, so looks like it comes with a note. If I wanted to write something on it or gift it to somebody, I could. Oh cool, it comes with like a little envelope. You guys can see. Let me see if there's anything. Oh, it's just a blank card. Oh, okay. Put this back. And here is the unboxing of the item. Alright, so here is a dust bag. Here is the item. Oh wow, okay, so this is the keychain from the monogram split. Here you can see this is the, now some people are calling this the silver monogram, and I think it was originally called the monogram reflective, and here is the monogram eclipse. But what I did not know is that on the back side, it is, I forget what this monogram is called, but it's the blue one. Is it called like Pacific or something? But yeah, I did not know that that was on the back side. And as you guys can see, it is in, is it silver or gunmetal? It could be, I think it's just silver or gunmetal or a darker gray. But yeah, so that is my item, and as you guys have seen before, so I took this guy out just for this video, and you guys saw that I recently picked this up also, thanks to my SA, Camby's, who works in the Washington DC store. I got it, I got this piece to be able to put on this tail because it has a hole big enough for a charm. And let me put that on. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I have to be very careful so it does not scratch. Okay, how am I going to do this? Oh my god. Okay. There you go. Okay, so there is the charm on my, and this is called the Pochette Voyage. Okay. Actually, now I'm kind of like, does that kind of look weird? I don't know. Because I always like to, and this is one way you could differentiate yourself from everybody else who has, you know, this piece, is that you could put your own charm on it. But, you know, I don't know how I'm feeling about that just yet. But we shall see how it goes. Let me just take it off real quick. Another thing that I wanted to do in this video is, so, sorry, it took a while to take off. But as you guys, I have said that this originally was called Monogram Reflective. And so I have these shoes. Let me show you. So they are from Cole Haan. And these are the shoes right here. I have never actually worn them. These are my second pair of these shoes. And I actually have these shoes also in blue, in orange, and in black. And I just love these shoes. These are called the Air Monroe Penny. And so they are penny loafers. But what I wanted to show you guys is the leather here. So this is a leather shoe. And this is a reflective leather. You can sort of see it with the light. Let me turn off the light and so you can see what it looks like without the light. If I could figure out how to turn it off. Ooh. Okay, so this is what the shoe looks like. And I'll also put pictures here so you can see what it looks like without a flash, and then I'll show you what it looks like with the flash. So this is the shoe that without the light, and then, ooh, here is a shoe with the light. You can see it's very reflective. It's like, it looks almost white. And I have this picture where I'm at my friend's wedding, and I was wearing the other pair of shoes that I have like this, and I was on a dance floor and they were taking pictures, and it looked like my shoes were on fire, literally. And so I'll put that picture here just so you can take a look at it. But so this is what I was hoping that the Monogram Reflective would look like, but I'll show pictures right here. It doesn't do that. And not even this Louis Vuitton, what do you call it, brightens up. And so I was a little disappointed with that, because like I mentioned before in my luxury wish list video, the keep all in this canvas is also on my wish list, which I don't really think I'm gonna get, because I think I saw that there was only a limited number produced, and that number was 75. And yeah, most likely like only celebrities and these rich people are going to be able to get them, but not docLUXURY over here. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that, because this is not a reflective material. And even my essay called this the silver monogram. And so I think that is more what I will call it from now on too. It's that this is a silver monogram. It is not reflective, just like my shoes. But yeah, so again, here is what I unboxed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I was just really surprised with this blue monogram on the back. But yeah, so that does it for this video. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything, leave them down below. Give me the thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.